Also tells the story of the ingenious fishing practices of the Apisnon people. The term basigin refers to a special type of fish net used by the Apisnon, known as the sibot. This net is similar to the scoop net, but not quite like the scissors or cast nets. These nets are particularly handy for fishing in the shallow and quiet parts of the river. The basigin's distinctive ring shape makes it ideal for catching specific types of fish and crustaceans. In the hands of skilled fishermen, the basigin net assures a bountiful catch, providing food for the family. The Filipinos' playful imagination transformed art of fishing into a lively dance. The basigin dance captures the movements of excited fishermen as they scoop after schools of fish. Through intricate footwork and dexterous swishing, swashing, scooping, and sifting, the basigin dance brings to life the chase and run character of a fisherman's day. Tonight, we celebrate this wonderful aspect of Filipino culture through the basigin dance. Watch closely as the Damula National High School teachers embody the skill, creativity, and joy of Filipino fishermen.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Damula National High School. Thank you.